Abusene tonight bas episode 10. We want that about flip power and I will big shake you. Let the reaction begin. You know, intro. Abusene number 1. Dini ya kwesi wasti. Yenti no e.
Mama bro. Hey, kwesi wasti. Me mama bamu buda life na ye woman na ye rent me mpre me hoda me koso komanim me no me mpa ba me nimu se dabi kwesi metu hozana no mama famu de bema pi se me kasa me kan o be kasa no bi mi my bro se sofa ye fia anka me de ye si
sofa ye ni sua kani ye ni
eye reba na esa ye
wabro eya ni edin bi onka se me da se me ti se me kai way back at the age of 10 me ko student e pamo me yo mon pese me ben se me try se ni wie mo mo se ma di se kan ho ko fie akura we palai ben ti me di me yimani na na me tro me nyom
o ka time a minim se bi to mu a wo ya akura akura bere mu no ko so ko we tv a yazu wo yan nwale ko dwale fara
na me ka o no say
yeah e bi na ore de
e mo nyina tv ni
ba ko pe it's say o dwale so ba say e mo
enya no tro e was a reason bi there the betting pa no nya sa mo be do
kwesi yes monti me ko student ko yenyom after the JHS West studio na me som so me ye ne den eja me pese me tunyom hey life is unfair let me make this clear me ko SHS group anyi easy o she utimu sama rap paso boys senye de na bambo no do so tika mi jai rap card de me ku me kra ne se ma tonyo ma wie na kasika me de be record eno se me dwene ho a mani mu fifie si ye de gupan ma wo betumi da wo hye ono mama sa doge se me nya sika no so a alodemo na eso me ye ne den eja me yakwada se me recording mistake a tetia pa da bi da ka keto bi ka lewis bi tchama ba be ma
se wo
ono record ono na de na wo ti eno si ye twa na ba
na iskan onye skan ti de won ko ano e side we me kai me mo school no ss na me colleague me student me classmate no rapper oh me kai say aya na me dilechi e ko see one of the student bo of enough na show baby na o ko to da se na and I want this stop at TCB na e demo ni nti o say then times na wo demo nko na yin few e say o master no de ba e o say am for say in rap it mo ni ska demo nko a and na producers ni beat makers so person ba accept demo no na akwara ka je guys on kono ke master bro na da se branding one of top guys CB yes kokko na oh easy a big time we are and that's more what from
yeah ne crown because of when capital be master recording o be any day obra bo asase
be mama bro menu sa timi de besi ha ya kwesi wasti yeah insane
o look young
too young
and how cast sa bre we
only 10 years just 10 years no so boy na yeah pa that's 10 years that's a who rap passion I assume yeah what is screen you need be
yeah kind Mr. Mensan
e
bo for college
wa go tine JSS sua life skills pasia 7 ko na de bi o mo kire nzo ba wi am fan je fi mathematics e sua no school pa
still start crying to me kind
Abuzia number 2 Dini Agawaski Bena ye deal we
akwana kuma edin
ye easy third time is a charm ye we
Bogrome hu amobedan 10 let's do this before I start me dey say me ni bia toto pending school life fine s na dane bedding eje o se me say me nko school no me busa certificate no dey ye me ma me wedding gawa
now we know e punchline to the papa na say
because we just who say we
yeah because I just know see drop punchline no and yet to the papa to the stepfather what they say but what they call him you just feel they make you have to prove
waka entienya nsa
Gawaski be the name check it out so far this not a freestyle listen to the vocal about my life tina ma shada ma ye ni local always in black ya ka me shada ni quota me kai machi baby ya kwesi na mi firi otare ya be wai o hihya na agiri mi fi atade ni hoda ye fira ntuma sine me koma brabo mu ayire chen kurikuri
one of my favorite food in Ghana ba kono no kurikuri bana majigu me nsase ya uredi je chene mato
na okay okay carry
I don't know so bre pa
be going
okona
never
I see kurikuri mu odin why kurikuri when favorite part dey okona
be going unim hefa who was looking.
Yeah.
What's your line? I punch line on that.
Why are there by you have to hear my cousin be a baby? Say, anyway, I was.
Yes, because senior and home school measure fee. Position the ball at 2 in a minute. Addition before the Mepanum so cancer, what can talk near Bubu and it's be like getting a destiny in Aquacoya Swap High School. They don't want to make a focus on the rap. No more local school in the Bay of Juma next year, Juma for double track.
What is that double track system? School for the one of Bakwavia.
Chasing for the money, working in the holiday. Cause my Nika grinding every day. Music I want to, yes, still know the pain till they make too bata. Me be baby yako me fie. Eto de bia, I'll be feeling like Jamanya mini ho. My focus is some part the Yamanko ho. But looking in the world, the richest if you don't know God, better than I am so my Makonda is poverty from God or the devil. Or mommy you must see soon promenyomo level. Very funny cause no money. So here Jumeku and Kakwasi label stove him, so we're heading into the blue sky. And normally I know go switch man style. Check the name for me, try to vote for me. Margaret Madoniti na my new guy. Bogome who I'm over than 10.
No,
yeah. 10 times a charm, not in the storyline as well. I said. What can I say? This type of topic we and yet topic I mean more punchlines, but yeah, kind of emotional and perspective from the heart kind of stuff. Exactly. Rap out about yourself again.
Because wow,
I
was also making sure say.
Oh, but you'll be too sure myself do with him.
True.
Oh no, myself they said those. Obi Johnny D.
No wait.
18.
Abuja number 3, DNA King series. You know it.
Yeah. KHINGSIRIS all social media platform. Yes, any panyade hate number 19 nipa shy say wanna joy phone. Command the 99 bars maga help rap van vika handsome. Menya bias store in a random. Don't do by a dan if it am to mukaka ni penny ase Jenny Dudu.
Nipa ni ase Jenny Dudu. Ase mo. They say eye wani ase a enye kaka Apollo yeah. Apollo.
Ohiani amani hu na mani pa ko sisikendi wanti na talent na da so shemi kukum. Professional recording ye 1000. Chale media bro so 2 CDs. Amanta me de bezi sabot.
That's 2 CDs na be
difference no. I to say bukomba ngune shata banda.
2 CDs ne time. Those easy.
Amanta me de bezi sabot housing. Togo na mi show sa Gucci. Me to me. Tina me say ye beye de money big sa. Nansu anyoma never ban won to me. Puna wati adie kongobi. Never waso mu de beat. Meditation for J Payola. Maga have unte winipa. Wase yenye freestyle video fama blogger. She. Wadam po dada.
Because yenye
also untie unipa. Wase yenye freestyle blogger.
Magra have untie unipa. Wase yenye freestyle fama
Blogger ben.
I don't know. Hello unipa why so no kan.
And I'm not me, but I'm a blogger. I'm for
no, but I say magra untie unipa. That means or the different person.
Someone is saying he say omunye freestyle videos Emma blogger. Who is that someone? I
don't know.
But you been mommy who
so inside kind of idea wo kwan na wo ya nipa kakra biti ase no e confuse am for
videos ye the big YouTube 1 2 3 man 2 views.
Ade we dey
me come na me di na be sisu no
bi no asase so ebu abamu say say
what do we say so the video to so I was say me should I active YouTube it no be am kwatwa editing pictures name the to so YouTube no one me screw we so refresh na to refresh na na be there na
was it them na block here
YouTube Juma so if you are not in this world I can say easy but Juma kasa the 2 views so you are not sure
3 months 2 views me aka me jima dan fu bia phone na me de be hwe it on now for 10 at least we secure with now
tempo 10 views
classical videos e baby etwa enwoma na wa download it akama ensema ekoso woni pa bera bom ensema kasa me hwie ni nyina ubesu ba me de gide ni hope sema hate critical thinking say yeah
Yeah. Mimi who is a one shut and drop major bass here, but I send you a rap about yourself into the cell phone. The career, the journey as an underground artist. One big shout out to HD Amizi Records.
Come on.
Yeah, beats for this submission cycle. I'm going to produce which means you can already know that. Exactly. Yeah, there be a bone there no correct. Abuja 99 Bass is proudly sponsored by HD Amizi Records, a record labeler on what branch for Ghana, say what branch for USA. This all your artists, that's all person record on your professionally with studio, which music video, watch a video, probably a man edit, open manager, and all those stuff. Now your screen is so not contact any of their numbers, they will screen this one. Now I'm betting me up in that regard. And as I open more information about services or more render, then you show more short video.
HD Amizi Records presents its very own state-of-the-art recording studio with a multi-genre international music producer, Samuel G. We have high-quality mixing services and high-definition mastering by a Grammy Award-winning engineer in Los Angeles, California. Our services also includes video editing and other video-related services, music promotion, management services in Ghana and the US, and collaboration opportunities with any US artists are also available. We are located around Achimota Kingsby Roundabout. For US and Europe, contact us on +13 177 018937. And in Ghana, contact us on +233 24031 4256 and 026 337 6567.
Abuja number 4, Dini Formula. Another returnee, you tell me.
And I'm going in for Zema International. Listen, first of all, Magraham, thank you for this opportunity. What's sending me beats, lit up it, sending for me, me try about the struggle that I struggle in the industry. I swear, my part of the story could make you feel sorry. And man, I'm
I was so good.
Send a nigga, sister, you know.
When we send a break.
Energy was true.
When they grow, like or start a rap, no, but I say, who said, oh, they call the person energy now one day, you know.
And man, I'm a shot to join you. Nothing made the 5. It's me training hard. It's not with the advice. Me mommy to me for so hope. I think it twice. It's me a GDB so that you me playing mic. Yeah, from I'm still alive. And I'm so proud to be a Ghanaian. But not the right, yeah. Me soon from Yakopong. Say Jesus Christ, one. Now it's me, I want me by your 40 times. Because you me demo. All about you drive. You got the skills and the talent. So keep it time. But tonight you brought me feeling. I'm to number 9. I'm not 5. Let me put in her ass. I like the man they lie.
Hey!
The
man they lie. But I saw how much 5 o'clock about feelings. Any part already, I mean,
yeah,
but apart from that, what's me demo? What's a guy? It's me briefly. No, my son.
And I want to know about Ghana Formula Manager who said, or the kind of submission they buy when you should be it, you know.
Grandmaster Bass Menzele. Punching on that Toro Niamenzele. Mr. Rapper not the Canadian Mangala, but for Babo Beck, I try making you Manzele.
And I'm going to say, this is the rules I set for this submission cycle. The next day, not you will buy. And I don't know, say these guys are determined. Sometimes, some of them are determined. What you say?
Obi one more the balance or catch and say when follows them, no.
Yeah. My guy be submitted for the first submission cycle, no. Young people don't know.
But then the last punch not drop here said the man the line.
Yeah.
Mene formula chatted last time. Nipa kone capito adam for. Capito adam for.
Oh, Abusia.
Oh, guy na
Kurana kwa we onion fast.
Guy na capito video no jina capito just say now so say no.
Okay.
Onwa. So mo Ghana.
Debi kapedio sizo capito uze bosom no yusu na o ma na yira go si Libya o tutu nkuduru US no. Sa bosom.
Be sa ka kapene. Sentati ya use kaka onwa.
Nyambe tuane kapa.
Look at me then I started crying. Obi am die so me guessing I'm the president. Into me try me like that. I come at me 9. Some me press me to force I come tonight. Never. But on no friend be team. Me didn't na me son na me share God wini. My biggest with the G. Obi friend no mame. I'm Cobra FM presenter and now I cover be. Oh, that man was so kind to me. Oh man upon me. Was a suma me Jimmy team. Was me pop say I come produce me. And I so let it do. And I tell you.
Akwane boafo.
Yeah, simple new. Hey. No, it's a formula. Maybe no, a hardcore, but emotional at the same time.
Emotional hardcore.
Hey.
Facts.
No, we deliver, but
Akwane boafo.
But boafo who pass the serious.
yes, underground abrabo. Ya tensem. Abuja number 5, Dini Ras Gaza. You tell me.
My name is Ras Gaza. My band beats all black. Music is not bad. I have some confidence in rap. Many me cannot change my confidence to bad. What I say, my rap, yeah, I'm addicted to that. When you're not strong empire, but go on the command. Yeah, my rap when you're drawing, so mom chasing me in the door. It is someone to me sound with.
Rapping your drawing, but a moment tracing in the door. So,
oh, nice one.
But it's someone to me sound with you. Be fearful. I'm out for count.
I see some Chinese sound that you're very
fearful. Already now we're inside talk from what we're trying
I'm out for count once and pick up my balloon to when you to count.
What I say, I say, I saw for you a intro for no motion come. Oh, when we say, so you see more.
Yeah.
Father, for one, no self esteem in the riches.
Papa ni two are not the profile. Two are wrong.
And found in here, the papa make still never you for
Only one I will not say what your funny kisses in see this.
What's your kind?
Which are funny kisses. Only your girl, I don't know your mom. Funny kisses. Every line we are making.
Why is that answer line? No.
Yeah.
Coffee best of that to your fullest. Why not to be a one? I will be married in the boat. I'm always on the road to achieve my dream. So, more money, my party against it from you when you come in. It's good to make you some at your coming who would do many my ass and be my ass and not be a fast and other women in my ass and not be a fast and other women. As I'm in the doors and I'm a person, I'm out to make and watch most report to me under some of the doors when I'm when I'm testing my rap, Miss Lady and Pueblo, right? It's good. I'm not Kuma, I want the idea.
I say, Russia, or twisted, but I say,
on my already Castanation, you will sign to know. So we know air affect no.
Let me be in our bountia. No was for your future and better. You was so free when the idea and you pay. You swear to up, no bad Jimmy dear. No abem and actually this year. But free up a to be done. No upon me. I mean, so we chill back to meet him. Oh, my meetings.
easy.
Young woman,
oh, my meetings, if you do forget it. Yeah, I already tell you, say my name is Akora Gaza. You can follow me on Facebook as I've been the Ghana man. You know this, all that music is not bad, mad.
I see, I already told you from Razzaga. The music is not bad. Yeah. That's so fast. Why say me no? Yeah, Pentam, a Jadian Wako. I was saying,
Abuja number 6, Dini a perfecto.
Okay. Tell me, second, I feel baby, and I have a trash that Mambo, a bond bank and a nado, no one touch and no Mumani Sakura Sujin from office. Been a meeting here, studio cost to be my problem. A rap in my yard, but how to live COVID hustle. I'm not lazy, I'm fast. You don't know what the lack and cost. Rap your near man, come as well, the question, man. Rap is me that I'll be some is a grab with Tom and I'm somebody number 1. Menjaka, you could grab seconds. Can I say the Madonna is a full bastard? I've got nothing. Always serious, I got no time for no fun making. Only be there is no harmony. My smack I am a pump and there is a job, but still I'm coming. He gave a crown for Jamie, gave me Dean Quasari as testimony, Sequas, your film, which is semi, Radia, you me friend, and Brabham, so I was studying some.
Hey! I don't be a guana.
And can it have me so near?
That means only a double again, a double move.
What's your
Saturday, no cray, for people that cry, or say, oh, you're bad. na say bema bi o boyfriend dey bia no ne wo hwi wi a sa bema ni jai no because ono wo be jai no akwa koma hu testimony o be bi erade adi me free ni sef it's not a problem
It's time you good, you have a phone, say the talk, you know what but I don't keep on focusing. The dear me, my friend, with the result. I didn't need to volume 10 crap, and no mammy that I was.
I did not drink volume 10 for more. Blue.
When you focus on Sky Moja, my command boom said, of course, I did be free. I mean, many my cost of go cruise, we put to a freedom. Would it be able to make me a dad that race a warrior dancing for the diabetes of a tongue condom and Roman Fadan to make up?
Say ni baby hit me dada address say honey
the same
kwaduno
baby na to condom no the other
Obacho obekoko
say o ye trickster
o every book bag nyom no obehu
I say underground artist, make us become honey natural, my big get crabatiato. So the god down. Yes.
What try?
Yeah. That's a new whole to fly in more of to fly, but they say you should have kind of kind of middle point to be with us.
At least me
exactly my way near clear. But the second submission you know, yeah, which means he's interested. Abuja number 7, Dini a freshaholic. You know it.
Yeah. No crane ni se bia me dwa me no bina. Me de pe hate me boa me dwa we se mina. Mon pe lie detector mo ma me no vinegar. Fresh hole be my days. Me sorti payola nsa na ma G-Mike wo stage. And no craji se protocol nyesa you no go stay. Yes say what 2 minutes pe wa wo beti hey. But where ya next time you no go climb again. Me come do na talk
2 minutes no.
And apart for that, on one side, sorted period, and I feel no. Yes, someone want to say next time, which I and when Jackie that can give for you,
because then you come, me.
Make you have a time one is the next time you're full stage.
I want 2 minutes or marvelous. What's a medium?
Tommy Bruno top in the cake, recorded track. Me did the Besha said that me from Gary who said shack. Me did the boys say to say crama we know the back. Get to boy me a chance to poke. I say oh gosh, one lantern to my gun and me say security guard and then they show me yet. And no papi man I just na buy it. I actually back open at the dam yem. Show me that baggages in a yem is soon here.
Check how you do. At least the video ticket grand. No more
I don't show. Okoda no we yesu.
There's a new question that one abesu.
Another grand artist who want to survive. Me who say me wasting my men out there. Cause I don't know when I blow, I no go deny. Used to walk from Tema to Gulf City. In and out crowd for a free show. Me yell laborance and I me looking neat. We yam pam pan a bomb and who's a beans you. Hey.
So God I can say for this day. Hey,
my side no kind of class, so who's was sending my mail there?
Yeah,
and that's not buying.
I said, Nabama boo,
yeah, no name time crop blue. He's not going to deny. With the hospital real gangster shit. Yeah.
But mamma, the only answer now would ye.
No. Every I could get a winning piano, yeah. Correct. Until any public to be Yakubu Capito.
Yeah,
single room crana boys be 12. It's yam in that fee, cause me who tell me rough. It's me to that crana me quiet that me be me chichoke down with a copy machina. I did
any years I'm careful prison.
Guy, unbibi. What break? We're tired.
W. So the bit of your minister can be bring this anime, big company pa. Oba or resume no. Abraba wa firm obra wa bere and no na ye dey be fa wadwuma no it's not about resume na man go school ha school no ko baby obra wa bere no ordinary dey your resume
nice idea
oh yeah
adicha madakete so sika semoti menu aketu wa na so mame jame di nti ya homache for na me
sika
and could do say say we make it to a favor be chenwa big time
I don't mom to free feel because
also do it ko hwi
and before
you many boy be the who Libya no bi no
yeah no
because I said your first born New Year obi second born no buy, third born no buy no to provide you with but on to me. Yes ana
do or die.
Baby can see pie.
Easy.
And before no can say independent so few wants no. Ojina ho.
Adechia wa da keta. Sa da obi anya no.
And I wish the finale for this episode. Dini Chris. Na say we artist na say Dini Chris.
Chris na nya wado. Eno nya brown.
Chale
What they won rap on copy who dey man.
And now me share me rap wa sakwa ni di matem. Me ka say me ye e hwana tamfo bu ma bem chale me rap pass so kwa me fa so hit na ya sem. Enti da wo su na me so fra me nyanko ponte. And now me rap until me people for me. But na say kwa na me su me nyanka from me before me. Rap until na me never just bra me see to me. Me ma me ka say nyane ba ni new into why na woman.
Yes. Rap with na ma me di so nu wa.
Elu size 10 no.
And that's no say what you do. I'll do rap wachi. Ama ma me di so nu wa. Everything you have to make a be hit, no. I be sure you have to
yeah,
do
because we are spending no go school, we are
go school so ko be rap.
Apart from that, we go school, university na ko wi. Now so be rap.
No, or hope we say we be nyina be bobra.
Yeah, also be rap na ben.
Yeah, because we said in time, no music, you know, you who is any part crave bit me here. What they say, so I think say that is where he's coming from.
But say do extent say mommy abomegua. Say popi ko ya chi.
Enye the banu, asinye the banu.
Don't abomegua.
Popi di oja watch
because mommy for there wa
amo try kakra.
Exactly. Problem is say catch say ye nim say you obi na betuma ko studio akwa record. That is why I ain't show be as a studio. But at least on record I find a proper place voice will be very clear my what you say.
Quality sound so at least not for yen kwampo. I said they will
because
obi one more shot take obi one more shot on am krumbe. One tia ebia you are spitting some real stuff but then
you know we also got the earphone as well. We are can be check my you already nipa no correct go out of the whole video
altogether. Video
exactly. So think about that stuff.
Apart from rap, let me pick you. If you can't catch on me call, I did some anything to me. Rap will be making sure. But daddy used to beat me, papa say cross rap not to him. That's when see me him. Cause let me and me mean. Say me brain you that you rap into me queen. See I can't get to the crump for Brian can me high school. Cause let me not time with trauma. I feel like ice cream. Now me actually much of the what talent but I can't use. So why will I waste all my time in class? I became class because I'm in call. Family appreciate studio. If you bant him out, not to go just to craft official. So do can me na say a chamber lama bishu.
But more cast of man and take free shows and what else.
Na just for the vanity. Obi
ananti mo, we have t-shirts also.
On nanti.
So na we be dey t-shirt. Who you be
T-shirt no.
Guy dey come before no want it.
T-shirt
for be sick guy your payola.
Group no wear for na am want it.
It's we shirt here. But we say our friend say Sako dey yapo no or similar story we say. Your momo Coco say t-shirt there we go.
I'm a rap papa. I find say Sako kwani bisi o. Popi say me doctor. Ba ya no dia mempe. Rap go me mo dem find Sako kwani tension. Say ko rap this one and so you wanna make it. I see what you mean what can say me from my find yourself.
I see rap with papa di so no do is papa di guy and sana ma me bebu.
And I say with this one cry if I must rap and me.
I say then you have to hate and yes Anna I just say oh papa be who is a little bit of a disappointment, yeah.
Rap until I'm in the gym, if I see this in the bedroom. Rap again, I'm one man, I feel competition soon. When I'm a make a sack, bram, I see if I'm making society crowd became bored. It give me a different man, them.
Your friend of Chris Cube.
Chris Cube, there be Chris and I, when you were Bobby, am I? Yeah, Chris and I. Okay. Azumu ba wa spitting some angasa just ne baby record na sound na ha na kakra but I think say he's a competition
emotion in this particular
episode
cycle no me personally like it wasn't open into onyo so open pay bia no about so if you are an artist that's a am what for bibimo you obviously have something to say and then obenya bibia
Abuziana no episode 10 na ba na wie ye ndize wani ji obi hu na so pese vote mana se na da ye do no komaghreb.com/vote uko ho a poll no ho ne o feel so ya de pan this cycle and at this episode no kwa ko vote amana we are betting me as for Facebook now was searching for Maghreb family. Another voting so at the end of it all, Nipo Benya more combined votes from Facebook and a site on the episode in the winner. Aquaquaka contest later on. Big thanks to HDM Music for providing these amazing beats. Rappers need use your Abuja voting for this episode number starting up to 7th January, which is Tuesday. This all show be so feeling in flow as so vote to mana. You have up to 7th January. And the next submission cycle no ye bia to moon from submission cycle, which is 4th submission cycle no. After this cycle, now just one more submission cycle to get into the contest no. Opinion which is 3rd January up to next week Friday, which is 10th January. Until you have 1 week to do your freestyle, do your everything, and send it to us through this number. And I will send the video na my WhatsApp. Try so best sending us document. And then I maintain video no higher quality. No send detail you use very good for video na no. And as also send the baswa, you can also send it through WeTransfer.com. I don't know how you use email. Email address send ya konye magrebtv@gmail.com. And then we get the higher quality video na we try no. Because we're sending us normal video for WhatsApp, I quality so. But so you can still send it through WhatsApp as a normal video. And one more important thing. Rules for this submission cycle we sing. Number 1, topic yes or rap about to freestyle must be about social media. Among for be use social media for good, among for be use social media for bad. Ebinum the pesca, ebinum the trendy or money yakika home. No more bebre. So you have variety of things to talk about. Into the topic for this episode no. Social media. 2. So you should beat a be provide a for this submission cycle. No. Beat ni sa opa. Ubetimi ako magraheb.com/b. Okwa beat na ye dia man I think 3 or 4 ni nyina wo ho. Ntu tie ni nyina na wo feelings obetimi use for wo freestyle about social media no. Then you use it. 3rd, video ni say wo twa please twa no landscape mode. Men na no phone ni say mfa twa. Ode obi a obetwa say dia ba bia na disqualified ye nyusu. Try as much as possible so between in landscape mode. So na ba na akwakofa normal TV format. And a BM say we freestyle na. Make sure so bebo udin any bia we Instagram handler. Ye betimi use and e betimi akwakope u pictures a. E bia e betimi use for thumbnail in yakeka ho. E bi okro boni din na ye ente. So we have to go search the person and say e be we say na din cross spell ente. And that's e bia ye picture for thumbnail for videos na here for YouTube now. Then we go there and search and get some. What you say? So add your name and your social media handles. And the last thing, freestyle, it must be 90 seconds or less. With everything included, no dini be 90 seconds or less. So please, these are the rules for this 4th submission cycle. It's about social media. So rap everything about your rap must be about social media. It can even be about people on social media. So rap will be a bit in here after social media for this 99 bars 4th submission cycle. No. Now you have the chance to do it. Kai say submission and so your video BBB send it back before Friday which is 10th January. Abusia, you can see my voice in a crack video me trash him. Other one there near that. You can see my voice is in a crack is really gone. My enjoyable so. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the man to send new video be no. E buy now Saka 2020 Maghreb videos best at it next week Monday. Hopefully that my voice no. Atene. Adios.